Imagine walking into a supermarket to buy toothpaste. One store offers 73 different options, different brands, different sizes, different flavors, different prices. Now imagine another store, only 4 choices. Most businesses would panic. More choice should mean more customers, right? Yet one company built a business worth hundreds of billions of dollars by doing almost the exact opposite. That company is Costco. And the strange part isn't that they sell fewer products, it's that customers absolutely love them for it. So why would one of the world's most successful retailers deliberately give people fewer choices? The answer has almost nothing to do with shopping, and everything to do with how your brain makes decisions. Most retailers believe success comes from offering more. More brands, more flavors, more sizes, more options. Walk into a typical supermarket and you'll find well over 30,000 different products. The logic seems obvious. If customers have more choices, they're more likely to find exactly what they want. But psychologists discovered something unexpected. Too many choices don't always make people happier. Sometimes, they make people buy nothing at all. Researchers have found that when people face too many similar options, making a decision becomes mentally exhausting. The result? They hesitate, they overthink. Sometimes they walk away without buying anything. This became known as the paradox of choice. While most retailers kept adding products, Costco quietly started removing them. Today, a typical Costco warehouse carries only around 4,000 products. Compare that to supermarkets carrying 30,000 to 50,000 items. At first, that sounds like terrible business, but fewer products create a surprising advantage. Instead of buying small amounts from hundreds of suppliers, Costco buys massive quantities of a limited number of products. That gives them enormous negotiating power. Suppliers compete fiercely to earn a place on Costco's shelves. Because getting inside Costco doesn't just mean selling products, it means selling millions of units. Lower purchasing costs allow Costco to offer lower prices. Lower prices attract loyal members. More members increase sales volume. Higher volume gives Costco even stronger bargaining power. It's a cycle that keeps reinforcing itself. And it all begins by saying, no. But here's where Costco becomes even more interesting. Most retailers make their money by selling products. Costco makes a significant portion of its profit from something else. Membership fees. Before customers even fill their shopping cart, they've already paid to walk through the front door. That changes everything. Because Costco doesn't need to maximize profit on every individual product. Instead, it wants members to feel like they're getting incredible value every time they visit. If customers believe they're saving money, they renew their membership year after year. In other words, Costco isn't trying to maximize every sale. It's trying to maximize long-term trust. If you've ever visited Costco, you've probably noticed something strange. Products move around, items disappear, new deals suddenly appear where something else used to be. It can feel frustrating, but it's completely intentional. Costco wants customers to explore, because the longer people walk through the warehouse, the more unexpected products they discover. Retail experts often call this the treasure hunt experience. Customers arrive planning to buy paper towels and leave with a kayak, or a television, or a giant teddy bear, not because they needed it, because discovering unexpected bargains feels exciting. Shopping stops feeling like a chore. It starts feeling like an event. Most businesses think success comes from offering customers more products, more services, more features, more choices. Costco proves something completely different. Sometimes success comes from having the confidence to offer less. Fewer products, clearer decisions, better prices, greater trust. Because customers don't always want endless options. Sometimes, they simply want someone to make choosing easier. And maybe that's Costco's greatest product. Not groceries, not electronics, not furniture, confidence. Confidence that someone has already done the hard work of choosing what's worth buying. The next time you walk through Costco and wonder why there aren't endless shelves filled with dozens of competing brands, remember, you're not looking at a limitation. You're looking at one of the smartest retail strategies ever created. Because sometimes, the easiest way to sell more is to offer less. If you enjoy documentaries that uncover the hidden psychology behind business, branding, and the world's most successful companies, subscribe to Brand Locally. Every week, we break down another business mystery hiding in plain sight.